Only be strong and very courageous.
Greetings and God bless everyone. Welcome to Trust God and Advertise, where we trust God to advertise and produce strong and courageous marketing content. In what career fields can veterans use AutoCAD software? With an AutoCAD certification, any veteran can become a CAD drafter, CAD designer, a CAD technician, and a CAD engineer. To register for the next AutoCAD 2D training course for veterans, scan the QR code and register today because enrollment is limited. There are only 10 seats left. Trust God and Advertise, a wise conclusion. AutoCAD 2D is a designer software program, and with the AutoCAD certification, it is possible for a trained veteran to obtain a career as a CAD drafter, a CAD designer, a CAD technician, or a CAD engineer. Any veteran can scan the QR code to register for classes with Marine veteran Michael Marcano and begin taking your classes on April 15th, 2024. Thank you for watching and God bless you.
Only be strong and very courageous.